Hello guys and welcome again on my channel. On the previous video I had shown you how to make an account on Fiverr. So I had told you that I will show you how to make gig in another video. So I will show you how to make an effective gig in this video. So this is the first page of making a gig. Okay. So in this page you have to give a title of your gig and select the category and then select for the search tags. Okay, the search tag is a very important thing. Okay, so I will also show you in a separate video that how you can select the best search tag so that your video rank on the first page of Fiverr. Okay, so it is very difficult to rank your gig on the first page of Fiverr, and if your gig does not rank on the first page of Fiverr, there is no need of your gig, because a seller very rarely goes to second or third page of the Fiverr. Okay, so it is very important for you to rank your gig on the very first page of your Fiverr. Okay, so first of all I will give a title to the gig. So let's suppose in this gig I want to give the voiceover to my customers. So I will write, I will give Urdu and English voice over. So don't give a very lengthy title to your gig, because it is not a good practice. Okay, so just give a short and very explainable and unique uh, title to your gig, so that your title attracts your customer. Okay, so in this title I had write, I will give Urdu and English voiceover. So okay, so I will put another word in my title and I will write professional Urdu and English voiceover. Okay, so I will write professional. Okay, so now you can see that if someone search voiceover with the word professional, so there is more possibility of ranking my gig. Okay, so you have to put a unique word in the title, so it will increase the rank of your gig. So it is a very bit of a trick. So I had learned it after a long time. So you have, if there are already many gigs present according to your niche, so you have to write any specific word in your title, so that the possibility of ranking your gigs become higher whenever that specific word is being searched. Okay, so I had write, I will give professional Urdu and English voice over. Okay, so in the category section I will select music and audio. Then you have to select a subcategory, and in which I will select voiceover. Okay, so there is the tag section, and before that I also have to select these things. So I will select gender on male, and select your age, adult, and now I will select middle age, then languages. So I will write English. So let me just select English, Urdu. So you can select only one language, I think, on this. So on this I will select American British accent, because we mostly speak British English. And then the purpose, so for that I will write audiobook, and then I can select e-learning, and also do it for dubbing. Okay, so you can select only three. So select up to 5 tones of your voice you deliver. Okay, so I can give angry, emotional, sarcastic, okay, and dramatic. And I can do So as you can see that my purpose of giving it is a audiobook and dubbing. Okay, so it is so you have to select the tones regarding the purpose you are selecting. So for that I had chosen a bit of different combinations of my tones. So because in an audiobook and in dubbing you have to select any kind of situation. Okay, so I have selected situation that I can give angry, emotional, sarcastic and dramatic, and I will select the fifth one is casual. Okay, so after that I have to select the tags. So now I will select the search tag for my video. So I will select over here as English voiceover. So whenever you are giving the tags, keep in mind that if you are in the state of your customer, so what thing you will search. Okay, so what so suppose I was searching for English voiceover artist, so I will search that English voiceover. Okay, so I had written that tags as I think I would search. Okay, so in it's and the other thing is Urdu voiceover. So the next thing I will write is voices. Then I think I should write voice acting. Okay, then voice talent. Okay, so after that click on search and continue. So I had didn't search for the search tags now. So I had told you that I will show you in another video. So I had just put the random tags which I think it is better for now. Okay, so after that click on continue, save and continue. So just click on got it. So in this section we will select our pricing. Okay, so this pricing section is different for different gigs. Okay, so if you are giving something different, often something different service, that this pricing section will be different. Okay, so the voiceover section, this is the pricing section. Okay, so it is asking includes how many words. So suppose I write 1,000 words. The revisions, it is asking me the revisions, that how many times I will revise my work. So I will write 3. So after that it is asking me the my file is H2 audio file. So I'm not going to select it. Then I will select the price. So for 1,000 words I will select $10 for now. So I will see it further when I will publish this gig. Okay, so after that it is asking me additional words, so that if the customer wants additional words after 1,000 words. Okay, so I will for every 100 additional words I will charge $5. Okay, so then it is asking me my delivery time. So up to 1,000 words in 2 days. Okay, so each additional 100 words will add one more day to my delivery time. So after that there is many additional things you can give while making your gig. So I will not give those extras now. So I will, after selecting the price, I will just click on save and continue. So after that it is ask you to write a description, describe your gig or description of the regarding your gig. So this is the place where you will convince your customer that you have to buy my gig. Okay, so you don't have to uh, buy anyone else gig. So my gig is the perfect gig for you, and you have to buy my gig, only my gig. Okay, so writing a description is a very difficult thing. So you have to write your description very uniquely so that customer will only prefer your uh, gig. Okay, so don't copy your whole description from others gigs, because they can claim it. So if you want to see how other people write the description, or if you want to make me a video how to write description, then comment below. I will make a separate video for how to write a unique and attractable description for customers. Okay, so to just write a description for you, I will just copy and paste it, because it will take a lot of time if I start writing it over here. So I will just copy and paste it. So I have just copied a random description. Okay. So after pasting it, I will edit it a bit. So it is saying I will edit this description as a whole, but I am not doing it because it will take a lot of time. So let me just save and continue it. So after your description section, you have to write the requirements for the customer that they have to give you for the order. So in this section, you can just write that give whatever you want, or anything. So anything they want regarding the gig, they have to give you. Okay. So select add, and then select and save and continue. So the last step for the before publishing your gig is to give a picture, a video, or a gig, or in this section an audio to your gig. So okay, so these things make a very good impression on the customer. Okay, so these things will attract the customer the most. Okay, so just put any video and audio for the customer that will attract the customer. Okay, so it will increase the chances of buying your gig to 100%. Okay, so uh, try to place a video, because a video will rank your gig most. Okay, then on the picture section also try to place your own picture. Okay, while making the thumbnail for your gig, so it will increase the ratio of your orders. Okay, so after that okay, I will just upload a picture of mine. Okay, so this is the size. Okay, so this is the picture. So after that click on save and continue. No, you have to give an at least a video or an audio. So let me just let it upload the video. I will pause the video while the video is uploading. So my video has uploaded. So it is not. So after uploading this, you have to click on this checkbox, then save and continue. So I was not clicking this checkbox, that's why it was going on the top again and again instead of saving. So after that, this is our last page. So in this page you will just click on publish gig. So now your gig has been published. Okay, so you can promote your gig on your social media accounts. There is the link of your gig, and after that click on done. So if you had any questions regarding my video, then do comment so I can answer your questions. So you can see that your gig has been published now, and it is online now. So anyone can buy your gig from onwards. So this is all for this video. So if you want any new video on this topic or any other topic, comment down so I can make a new video.